welcome to my channel and welcome to beautiful Cuba. I wanted to show you kind of like what I eat in a day while I'm here. I've been having quite a lot of vegan food and it's been really delicious and I wanted to share that with you. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. For breakfast, I would usually get a bunch of fresh fruits from the buffet. They had a pretty good selection there. They had a lot of fresh fruits. The papayas were so amazing. I would have them every morning, and I would usually get also a piece of bread to go with that. I also brought with me some packets of instant oatmeal so that I would have a really good and filling breakfast every morning. I would add boiling water to the oatmeal and wait about 2 minutes until it thickens. And that was pretty much my breakfast every morning when I was there. I would have that with a nice warm cup of black coffee. Sometimes later in the morning we would head to the lobby to have another cup of coffee. They had a coffee bar there and let me tell you guys, Cuban coffee is so delicious. For lunch, I would usually get some rice and beans with a big side of salad. They had quite a good selection of salad and also a bunch of beans like chickpeas, black beans. So on that day, I had some rice with tomato sauce on top and chickpeas and a bunch of veggies on the side. This lunch was pretty simple, but honestly so delicious. Another good lunch that I would have was a veggie pizza. I would usually just order a vegetarian pizza with no cheese and just complete the rest at the salad bar and add some chickpeas on top and a bunch of good veggies. Usually in the afternoon, I would have a protein bar that I brought with me that I showed you in my last video, usually a Cliff Bar or a Lara bar. For dinner, I would get the biggest plate of pasta that I could get. It was so good. I would just have it with some plain tomato sauce and add whatever veggies there was to add in there. Usually there was tomatoes, peppers, garlic, onions, and oregano. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe because I upload a new video every Monday. And don't forget to like and comment on this video. It helps a lot when you do that, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!